In this video, I'm going to show you how to count unique values in pivot tables using Excel. This is pretty simple, so I'm just going to jump right into it. So basically, in order to do that, first of all, we have to create the pivot table. So I'm just going to select my data table right here, and then I'm going to select insert and then pivot table. So right here, where it says choose whether you want to analyze multiple tables, you have to make sure that you check this box where it says add this data to the data model. And then I'm just going to pick a location where I want to insert my pivot table. So I'm just going to select existing worksheet, and I'm just going to insert this one right here and then hit OK. So this is the pivot table right here. I'm just going to select this one right here, the department and amount sold. Okay. So basically right here, as you can see, there is the count of department option, and I'm just going right here to the value settings and select value field settings. And right here, if I'm going to scroll down a little bit, as you can see, we have this option for distinct count. And if I'm going to hit OK right here, as you can see now, I have a distinct count of department that I can use to count unique values right here. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.